Bitcoin stumbled harder than Solano and Ethereum. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into why Bitcoin's price crashed much harder than Ethereum and Solana in late August 2025. While the entire crypto market faced pressure, BTC took the biggest hit, and there are some very specific reasons behind it. Let's break it all down. Why Bitcoin dropped sharper. First up, Bitcoin's crash was triggered by whale activity. A dormant whale reportedly sold 24,000 BTC, worth about 2.7 billion. That single move set off a chain reaction, liquidating over $550 million in leveraged long positions. This caused a cascade of selling pressure and sent Bitcoin spiraling down faster than the rest of the market. On top of that, US spot Bitcoin ETF saw $1.17 billion in outflows in the week leading up to August 22. Institutional investors were clearly taking profits, adding fuel to the sell-off. And then we had macroeconomic concerns. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell announced that interest rates will likely stay higher for longer. Since Bitcoin is increasingly correlated with tech stocks, that hawkish stance reduced risk appetite across the board. Finally, retail panic selling made things even worse. Social media hype and fear caused smaller investors to dump their holdings, especially on weekends when liquidity was thin. Meanwhile, institutions quietly accumulated Bitcoin at lower levels. Section 2. Why Ethereum held stronger. 230, 345. Now, let's talk about why Ethereum didn't fall as hard. In fact, Ethereum ETFs actually recorded strong inflows during the same period, with giants like Fidelity and BlackRock leading the charge. Institutions were drawn to Ethereum's staking yield and utility-driven ecosystem, making it more attractive in times of uncertainty. We also saw capital rotation, money moving out of Bitcoin and into Ethereum. This gave ETH some resilience compared to BTC's steep drop. Why Solana fared better. Surprisingly, Solana also held up better than Bitcoin. Even though Sol is known for its volatility, this time it avoided the cascade of whale-driven liquidations that hit BTC. Its price dipped, yes, but it didn't experience the same violent crash. For many investors, Solana is increasingly seen as a growth play, a way to diversify from Bitcoin's dominance and gain exposure to a faster, more scalable network. Here's key takeaways for investors. So, what's the big picture here? Bitcoin's drop was sharper because of whale sell-offs, ETF outflows, and retail panic. Meanwhile, Ethereum and Solana benefited from inflows, yield opportunities, and diversification. This highlights an important lesson. Not all crypto assets move the same way, even during a downturn. Institutional investors are treating Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana differently, and as crypto matures, we're likely to see even more divergence in performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more crypto market insights. And let me know in the comments. Do you think Bitcoin will recover quickly, or will Ethereum and Solana continue to outperform? I'll see you in the next video.